inside the accessories box of the NVR, you will see the following. You will see a 48 volt PoE power adapter that powers the NVR, 4 screws that attaches a hard drive to the case of the NVR, a pink bag which includes a quick guide operation manual of the NVR, and a CD that includes software for the NVR such as Config Tool and Smart PSS, a power cable that provides power to the hard drive that connects to the NVR motherboard, and a SATA cable that connects to the hard drive and also to the NVR motherboard, the patch Cat5 cable that connects the NVR to the network, and also a mouse. On the back of the NVR here, you can see a lot of different types of connectors. Let's start from left to right. Here you'll see the power connector which connects the 48 volt power supply. That power supply supplies not only power to the NVR, the hard drive, but also to the cameras that are attached to it. Here you will see 4 PoE ports. These are the 4 ports that the SavvyTech cameras directly attach to. So having PoE ports, as long as they're SavvyTech cameras, there is no configuration that's needed. All you do is just plug and play and the cameras show right up. Here you will see an Ethernet port that connects the NVR directly to a router or switch so it can be connected to the network. Here you will also see a VGA connector for a VGA monitor. Here are your audio inputs and outputs, one for a microphone and one for a speaker output for two-way talking. Here you have an HDMI port for a high definition monitor, and also a USB port where you can attach either a mouse or a USB thumb drive. Additional features for the NVR is that it can do also H.265 compression to save more hard drive storage space. Also, it includes IVS features such as tripwire, intrusion, abandoned missing object, scene change, and face detection. Also with these NVRs, they include a feature called P2P, which allows you to scan a QR code to get the NVR online without having to do the old-fashioned way of doing port forwarding. Thank you for watching.